Oh,
Stop.
no. If I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. You roll your eyes like that again, I'll hold you in contempt. Roberto Guerra.
Sir.
Mr. Guerra, you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir. Please don't say anything. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. On May 27th, 2024, officers caught to a vehicle at speeds of 125 miles per hour.
125?
And the vehicle was still creating distance between the officer and the patrol car. It was very traffic. It was a heavy traffic at the time in Harris County. While trying to close the gap between the patrol car and the speeding vehicle, the officer observed the vehicle change lanes in an unsafe manner several times, causing other vehicles to slam on their brakes to avoid striking the speeding vehicle. And the vehicle also did not signal its lane changes. Officers were able to catch up with the vehicle after maxing out the patrol car at its top speed of 135 miles per hour. The vehicle immediately took the exit for Airtex Road and pulled into a Stripes gas station parking lot. The defendant was identified as the driver.
What kind of car was he driving?
A pickup truck, Your Honor. A silver 2009 Chevy Silverado.
I'm going to find probable cause, Mr. Garrett. Do you realize that it's high up. One false move, boom, 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 ejected from the car, crack your cranium, dead. I'm now taking away your privilege to drive, sir. You're not allowed to drive at all. You're going to sign with me today an affidavit promising me you're not going to drive. I don't care what's going on in your life. If you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. Oh,
Stop.
no. If I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. You roll your eyes like that again, I'll hold you in contempt. It shows a complete lack of respect. All I want is public safety. That's all I care about. Every single day, someone dies on the road in Harris County because of some boneheaded move. Not here, not today, not anymore. You understand? If you drove here, you may not drive home. Do you understand?
I don't get to work. I don't go to work no more.
I didn't tell you could work. I just said you can't drive.
I'm a business owner. That's how I make it work. My vehicle gets me to work, sir.
Sorry, dude. That's it.
I didn't ask for an apology. I said, how do I get to work? How am I going to
Take
get
an
to
Uber.
work?
You can find someone else to take you.
Move the pool table. I can't put a pool table in the back of an Uber. I'm just asking, sir. I'm
You're gonna have to hire
just trying to
for you.
continue to be a citizen and keep my job, right? That's all. That's all. That seems a bit much, right? For somebody, I understand. You're a judge. I'm just trying to make my plea. I have to work. That's all. I'm just trying to continue my job. That's it.
But let me tell you something, Mr.
Just trying to continue my job, man. That's it.
The ability to drive is a privilege.
I understand, sir. I've been in the system long enough to understand what your job is. I just have a job, sir. That's all. I'm sorry. Apologize. I don't want to be here. You know what I mean? I made a mistake. I got a job, right? I got people to work with. I got people to depend on. I make mistakes. I apologize. And
I want to see that you truly mean it. I don't know that now. I don't know it.
it's fine.
For right now, I'm taking away your privilege to drive because I want you to appreciate the awesome privilege it is to drive at 135 miles an hour on the road in what, a 65?
It seems that Your Honor was approved.
You're going double. I'm gonna have you sign this affidavit with me. We're gonna reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. When you come back, we can talk about it, but I want you to really appreciate it. And I want you to show me how much you appreciate it. But until that point, if I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. Do you understand? I'm gonna have you sign the affidavit. We'll have you sign a receipt and we'll get you out of here. We'll see you in a month.
Robinson.